You're watching CKWS News at Noon. So good to see you on this Wednesday afternoon. A nice mild high of anywhere for Kingston between 9 and 11 degrees. Much of the region hitting double-digit highs this week, well above average. Average high this time of year is around 6 degrees. We'll drop to 3 tomorrow. Clouds start to disperse overnight. And when that happens, of course, that means a nice sunny day for much of the region tomorrow. There's that cloud cover. There's that intermittent cloud cover today. And then late in the evening, those clouds move on. And then, yeah, lots of sunshine for tomorrow. By Friday, though, we are dealing with the return of some precipitation in the form of rain. We could see that maybe late morning, early afternoon, depending on where you are, anywhere between 5 to 10 millimeters of rain to end the week. Belleville, tomorrow and today, a mix of sun and clouds. 11 today, 12 tomorrow, 13 on Friday, well above average, and 5 to 10 millimeters of rain can be expected. Now, Brockville, 10 degrees today, 11 tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow, 13 on Friday, 10 to millimeters of rain, up to 10 to end your week. And much the same pattern here for Smiths Falls, incrementally rising all the way to Friday. 9 degrees today with a mix of sun and clouds, mostly clear tomorrow, a high of 10, and then 13 on Friday, up to 10 millimeters of rain. And then things turning cold for the weekend. Getting there, though, for Kingston today, 11 degrees, mostly cloudy, 10 tomorrow, mostly clear, 12 on Friday with 10 millimeters of rain, and only getting to 3 degrees for Saturday. We are dealing with some sunny periods in the afternoon. Don't forget, Saturday, Kingston's nighttime Santa Parade. Do bundle up. It's going to be a chilly one. Not much better Sunday, just getting to 4 degrees, but a mix of sun and clouds.
Brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Yes, it was a beautiful day today. We had some sunny periods, quite a bit of cloud too, but we did get some break in that cloud. And we're looking at some fog patches developing tonight as the partly cloudy conditions continue. Tomorrow, sunny. We may see some cloud through the morning, but it'll just be partly cloudy, and then lots of sunshine, mainly sunny conditions for most of your day. And mild conditions again. We should be hitting a 6 for daytime highs, and we're seeing those double-digit highs across the region. Showers Friday, still mild, a little on the windy side too. And that wind is that push from the northwest, clearing and cooling expected for the weekend, and even cooler on Sunday. We may see daytime highs around 1, 2, or 3 degrees on Monday in parts of eastern Ontario. Very cool. Yeah, we're currently looking at a 10 for a daytime high in Kingston today, and like I said, 6 is your seasonal norm, so well above the norm. Everybody saw above normal. 12 in Brockville, 10 in Smiths Falls, and 9 in the nation's capital. Belleville had 11, 12 in Peterborough, 11 for Oshawa, 15 in Toronto today. Yeah, everybody above norm. It's sitting at 10 right now. Southwest winds moving in about 19 kilometers per hour, reported at Norman Rogers at the top of the hour. And we're still looking at a few clouds out there. It will clear up a bit tomorrow. Looking forward to that sunshine again. Barely a trace of precipitation, and it does look as if those temperatures are going to stay nice for us too for a little while. High pressure really clearing things up, if not completely, partially tomorrow. Enjoy it while you can, because it moves through quickly. Those highs do move out of the way. Late Thursday, we start to see through the evening and overnight that increase in cloud again. Still maintaining nice temperatures, but it comes with the price with some shower activity. As these lows all get organized and pulled together to create this one big frontal boundary, we see wet weather, and it could be heavy at times through the afternoon. High pressure in behind it, though, is going to bring in some cool air, and we'll find those temperatures drop into the weekend. So this is what we're looking at now. There's an increase in cloud late Thursday into Friday, and then yes, we're looking at the shower activity move in probably mid-morning through Prince Edward County, Belleville, before noon in Kingston. Brockville, Smiths Falls, you may not see it until later in the afternoon, sometime after the lunch hour, but you can see some heavier rain associated with this. Pretty strong cold front. And because of that, you're going to see pretty strong drop in temperatures on the back end of all this active weather too. So Belleville, a high of 11, a mix of sun and cloud to start the day, pure sunshine through the afternoon, an increase in cloud by nightfall though, and by morning that chance of shower starts to develop, a high of 12 degrees and windy conditions too. Saturday, a high 4 and a mix of sun and cloud. Brockville up to 11 tomorrow, a mix of sun and cloud. Friday, it's a high 13 with showers, moderate winds, a high 3 on Saturday, so much cooler, but nice to see the sunshine return, a mix of sun and cloud expected. In Smiths Falls, rising to 9 degrees tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. Friday, a high of 13 with showers and moderate winds. Saturday, a high of only 2 and a mix of sun and cloud. Kingston, your forecast rising to 10 tomorrow. We do have some fog patches in parts of eastern Ontario tonight. That should lift in the morning, and we're looking at 10 degrees and a mix of sun and cloud. Lots of sunshine through the middle of the day, and then by nightfall we start to see that cloud increasing again. Come Friday, it's showers and a high of 12 and some windy conditions too, especially if you're close to the lake shore. Saturday, it's mainly sunny with a high of 4 degrees, 5 on Sunday, a mix of sun and cloud, and for Monday it's a high 2 with mainly sunny conditions, but that chance of showers returns as those temperatures bump back up to seasonal level over Tuesday and Wednesday. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
A lovely walk this morning along the Bay of Quinte, and Mark Hopper managed to catch this fiery sky. Beautiful conditions. Thank you so much, Mark, for sharing with us. And if you've got pictures, it's easy to do. Just send them to us at submissions@ckwsctv.com.
I never see that when I look through my camera. I don't see that kind of image at all. Is there a filter or something on that?
I don't know. It's just maybe we just don't have the eye. We're too busy. We got our head down, running around doing stuff. We don't see it. It's like the owl yesterday. Would you notice that? You know?
No, you wouldn't unless you're like we talked about, an avid bird watcher. That is a stunning picture.
Isn't it beautiful?
That's a contender. I'll predict that right now.
Yes.
That's a contender for the best of coming up. Well, December. Okay, so yeah, drenching on Friday, but weekend looking pretty good, a little on the cool side for people heading to the Santa Parade or anywhere else for that matter. Get some yard work done, perhaps.
Yeah, I always like the cooler weather when you do the yard work because you're not sweating. It's nice, crisp air to breathe in while you're working away. It's nice. And
that'll be a good weekend for it by the sounds of it, Bill, and we'll find out what's beyond that in the 10-day outlook later. Thank you.
No scoring until...
Hall joining us again to tell us the highs and lows of the 10-day outlook.
Yes, and some real lows coming our way. Nice to see the double digits for the next couple of days. Some sunshine again tomorrow. And then Friday up to 12 degrees as we see the showers moving through, reaching Belleville, Kingston in the morning, probably early afternoon through Brockville and Smiths Falls. Once those showers are over, it cools down. Only high 4 on Saturday. And yeah, a little chilly to be curbside for the Santa Claus parade, but at least it won't be wet. A little on the windy side Friday, but hoping those winds will diminish on Saturday. It was very windy last year. Hopefully it won't be quite as windy this time around. Sunday, a high 5 and a mix of sun and cloud. Mainly sunny Monday and a high of only 2. 5's your high Tuesday, and the chance of showers returns. Up to 6 on Wednesday with a good chance of showers as it cools down that night. Could be mixed precipitation. Highs of 2 over Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and a good chance of showers or flurries on Thursday and Saturday. Sunshine for Friday.
Yeah, those lows or the daytime highs are pretty low, Bill. It's below seasonal even for the next long stretch there. Though we are getting closer to winter season, right? And
that's right.
You know, you show November 25th, which is then a month away from Christmas. So
that's right.
That's getting closer too. To get that shopping underway. We'll be right back.
Your long range. You're watching CKWS News at 11.
A few clouds in the area due to the cold front that's moving through. It's not really super cold. With the air that it's meeting up with is not a great contrast in temperature between the two air masses. So all it's really doing is bringing you some cloudy periods. Any probability of precipitation is like 20 to 30%, and it's scattered. It's not really a big deal for us. We're hoping that that ridge of high pressure is going to stay with us and give us some more sunny periods tomorrow. However, by the end of the day, that cloud starts to move in. A warm front keeps those temperatures up, but it also comes with the price of some wet weather. So Friday, we're back into showers. We could have some heavy rain through the afternoon as this low in the north sweeps through with this cold front. On the back end of that, more high pressure slips in, pulling Arctic air our way. we're going to see a significant drop in temperatures as a result of that. 11 for a high tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud through the morning, mainly sunny through the afternoon, Belleville. You do have some fog tonight, but that should lift early. Friday, it's a high 12, and yes, showers and windy conditions too. For Saturday, yeah, that wind is pushing in some cool air, a mix of sun and cloud, and only a high of 4 degrees. Big difference from your 12 the day before. Brockville, a high of 11, a mix of sun and cloud through the morning, mainly sunny by the late afternoon. Friday, a high of 13 with showers, moderate winds. Saturday, only a high of 3 and a mix of sun and cloud. Smiths Falls, you'll see nice temperatures, nearly double digits tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. Friday, it's a high 13 with showers. And for Saturday, only up to 2 degrees and a mix of sun and cloud. Everybody's seeing that drop in temps as it clears up on Saturday. Kingston, your forecast, a high 10 tomorrow, mix of sun and cloud in the morning. That fog you get tonight will lift in the early morning. We are looking at even clearer conditions by the afternoon. However, an increase in cloud overnight leads to more showers coming our way. Friday, high 12. Much cooler after the showers. Saturday and Sunday, lots of sunshine, but highs only 4 and 5 respectively. A high of only 2 on Monday as the sunshine continues. As we see daytime highs bump up a little bit over Tuesday and Wednesday to a seasonal level, we see the chance of showers return. And as it cools down Wednesday, those showers could turn to wet flurries.